Good evening, my fellow traders. I really hope that you are all good and you were able to make something out of the NFP, and you did use my kind of scheme on how to trade. So let me first of all just, all what I want to talk to you about is a scheme that I trade news with. It's the first one, and the second, what I want to talk to you about is what I did and which instrument did I trade. Why do I use why do I always watch multiple instruments? How do I kind of spot the right trade, etc. So that's something what I am doing. All right, so let me find this first for you. Find this, I'll close it here. Okay, so first of all, let me find the scheme itself that I trade and what has actually happened today. Just a second. Where is it? Just a sec, have to find it first and then I'll show you. So my logic is very simple. So don't get involved. Well, if you don't want to gamble, don't try to guess what is going to happen. That's the very first thing. So if you want to gamble, it's your problem, but that's something what I'm not doing, and I'm not suggesting you to do so. Okay. All right, where is it again? That's something what I told you about euro. Well, when I'm posting this kind of, well, basically what has happened, this level has been triggered, this one, as you can see. So don't think that the price will continue its up movement from here, of course. So when I was drawing this kind of thing, I thought only about a very short-term wicks. So within a very first bar of the news, just a very first bar on the news, we do have a moment when all our stop losses might be triggered. So that's basically what I was thinking about. And it's all about 1 minute chart. So the thing is that I'm not allowed to post 1 minute chart here, but that's something what, if you wanted to sell, basically you had to place a sell limit order around this area. Why? Because these are all volume weighted levels, 1.11800. If you wanted to buy, to try to buy it again, it's just for a few kind of 15 seconds. So that's something what I would kind of try. I didn't do it today because it's Friday. I don't really like to trade on Fridays. And then you are kind of placing a buy limit order just here. So because this is the area, the maximum area to be triggered within first kind of 10 to 15 seconds, you know, after the news came out. So that's something what I actually draw here. This is not, well, all these lines are not showing a right kind of, what can I say, time scale or something like this. So lines are just showing a possible direction which might happen very, very fast. So we didn't have any wicks. What we had, basically, the price has dropped a lot in the very beginning, didn't touch this level here, did go up first, you know, but I didn't see any breakouts. So basically with euro, I didn't trade. I will tell you why. So let me switch to my matrix and I will show you what we have been watching today, basically on a short period time frame. So on that's what it is basically. So that's kind of my matrix on well, version 1. Again, I do remember that I told you about it. Now I just want to kind of explain you on the sample which have been done and how I did trade it. So okay, so what is happening? So what has happened today? So today we didn't have this kind of situation with euro. We do have some pairs where we saw it actually. It was with but nothing special is happening with Mexican at the moment. So the price is not going up and not going down. So it's in a range. So that's something what has happened with Mexican today. So you can check it if you want. Let me switch it to the Mexican now. Just a second, so I'll show you. Just want to kind of show you these possible scenarios that they do actually happen sometimes. So that's what happened to Mexican. It will possibly go in some certain direction today, but it also possible that the price will continue its direction on Monday as well. But during today, due to these weeks, etc., we might have a very good buying or selling signal on Monday. So that's something what might happen here. Okay, so let me switch to, where is it? Here we go. So this is a news trade. So that's what's happened with Mexican. One more time, have a look at this one. So yeah, you see, just what prices in a range, down, up. It was up and down, then up, and it stays in the range. So no move at all anywhere. Okay. Now let me show you one more time, news trade. So okay, so I did expect something like this with the euro. It didn't happen. That's what actually happened there. But the thing is that it wasn't this kind of thing. So it was a slippage first, and then the price just did go in one direction. We didn't see any proper kind of corrections yet there. So we might have them later on, but again, it's Friday. We might have them during the Asian session on Monday. That's what is possible actually. So we don't have it. I'm not sure that we will. So do have an order at 1.1100 just in case if the price will return there. But again, the slippage was huge. I think it's about 50 pips at least. So sell, stop, and all these kind of things, they didn't actually work. So and I didn't use it. I don't use it actually. And again, so that's something what has happened with the Australian dollar again here. And that's how I actually made some money on the market today. So that's, well, normally I don't really trade during the afternoon on Friday. So in Europe, it's almost, well, the day is almost finished. So that's why I'm not going to kind of get into any more trades. But that's what I did basically with the Australian dollar. So again, on my other platform, yes, I do still have a open position here, and my target for now is, let me switch to there. So it's, I will tell you, it's 75676. That's where my target is on the other platform. With this one, I was not sure, so I was trading just the kind of clearing of this low. So just gave it a gap for a few pips here, and target has been reached. So that's something what I had expected here, just a short-term trade. So how many pips was it? Just 22 pips, so nothing major, to be honest. And I do believe that the price will continue its down movement. Probably we'll see some noise now, so price can actually renew the highs as well. So lots of can happen actually yet. So, and that's what happened. So as you can see, those of you who've been placing a sell stop orders, well, definitely you did have a slippage due to this candle. As you can see, this one, huge candle, you know. If you did have a trailing stop, it means that you were triggered with this trailing stop for sure. So, and that's something what I did. So I saw it is happening. So I thought its low basically has been broken through. And that's where I've placed a sell limit order. So my stop loss just above highs here. So it was so the volume was not that high as I do trade normally during the normal day. So it was a low volume, and this, even if I had like 15 pips stop loss, it would be fine. So my stop loss was around 20, I guess. 19 it was, yes, because I didn't actually count it. I just placed it above and has been waiting for what is going to happen next. So will my stop loss be triggered, or will I make money on it? So I've made something. So again, it's a sort of pipsing trade. So it's Friday. The market is kind of going to fix their, well, what can I say, positions, you know. So everyone is trying to take the profit out of the market. So that's why I basically didn't wait much longer. Okay, guys, so what I want you to say and to know, always have some sort of system to trade. It doesn't matter, does anyone like it or not, your way of trading. The only thing that matters for you is making money and grow your bank account. When it does happening, no matter how you trade, you are right. Definitely right, 100%. So that's something what you shall always kind of think about and do remember about it. Okay, guys, so have a good one. Don't remember, it's Friday. Friday is some kind of a day when you can actually lose all what you've made on during the whole week. Okay, guys, so have a good one. Have a good day. Do hope that you will have a very good weekend. Okay, guys, have a good one. Bye bye. I'll speak to you on Monday, I guess.